What we work with is a lot of instability with the pelvic rocks on the cushion, the feet on the disc. And then not only do we address the whole body, we also address the brain. So we do a lot of hand work and cerebellum work, which totally helps with balance and decision making. So it's more of a whole body exercise where different parts of our whole brain is working. And I think that's very different from anything else.
You're really moving holistically through the body in every single class, which is not true in exercise classes or weight classes. You get a much bigger bang for your buck in terms of time. And it's like, I love seeing that everybody is smiling at the end of class. That's what you want. I want them to feel more playful, just like I have become through Rev.
Just to get them moving, I've seen the improvement in the people that we've been with now for 2 or 3 years, and they are definitely more engaged. They seem a little livelier, and that gives me a great sense of reward.
The population and residents that we teach, they are excited and they're happy when they're leaving. They feel energized, they're more aware of their bodies. So that feeds me as a teacher.
With Vitality, it gives people excitement or something to look forward to. And I can see that the people who take Rev feel that way. I feel that way. I look forward to seeing them. I can tell they look forward to seeing me.
What excites me the most is how surprised they are with what they can do. A guy said, I haven't felt like a badass in a long time. Man, that gives me so much pleasure. I want people to feel like, yeah, I'm taking some risks. That is just music to my ears because we know how important it is. That kind of novelty, that sense of possibility.
From teaching this work, I really feel like, yes, it's really important to start it younger so that you can access and understand more about your body as you age.
I took care of my parents for 7 years. They both had dementia. Exercising was huge for them, and it was just stuff I'd put together. I just wish they could have had Rev.